See why I hate it? Absolutely awful. There's a big bar. Yo. Today I got a shit of a video because I don't like doing it. I'll show you. So this is a cattle feed barrier, much like the ones that the cows have got over there. But instead, they decided to demolish one this morning. So now we've got to sort this spare one out and then put that in there. Bloody clouds.
I'll give you up one time. I felt so high, I felt so low. And you always lie, but I want you more. I'll give you up one time. I don't know why, but I want you more.
Just like that. Fixed. I'll show you now. Just done all those top bolts back up. This is one that I had to weld up a while ago. But anyway, that is now ready to go into the barn. I'll show you the broken one in a second when we get there. Let me put you guys down for a sec. Maybe I could just put it like that actually. That would be even better. Not so much better. Alright. Wow, so easy. Right, this is that is the one that we got to replace. So it's just snapped at the bottom here, just there, and then obviously bent it right along the top. But in order to be able to replace that one, we've got to move some barriers around here so that we can actually get to it. Well, just like that, we can now get this barrier out without these cows in there. So now we've just got to unbolt it there, then fill up the other end, then we'll be good. So I will do that now. Right, that's that, this side up there. Now we're just going to move on to the other side. Let's see if we can actually get this in. Actually stay. Oh my god, still recording. I have no handbrake. Still recording.
And I can be your everything.
if that's even still working. Oh, I'm basically a professional.
Have you found another? Ooh, and I want you to love me, and I won't make mistakes. Please just give me something. Ooh, I need you. I need you. I want you to love me. I need you to stay.
See why I hate it? Absolutely awful.
I want you to love me, and I won't make mistakes. Please just give me something.
Oh, look at that. Look at that for a shot. All we've got to do now, do these up. You fucking bastard. Probably smash my phone a little bit more. Oh well. Like that. Just like that. That's all it's done. The only thing I want to change is just down here. Where that, because I think what's happened is that slid out the end of this tube and that's what snapped it. So I want to move that to this side, which means I'm doing that and that one probably, which we'll do now. Similar to that. That hopefully, oh maybe not. Oh yes. There we go, that was the plan. Probably have to move that a bit more. One of the worst jobs possible, really. And the worst part is, I have to do it at least once a year. And they decide to just break it for no real reason, other than to make my life hard. That's that done. Oh god. Oh, just like that. Brand new, second hand, fixed. What a pain in the arse. But at least it's done. With any luck, they won't break it again. I've just got to move the hurdles that are in there. Just like that, it's the end of the video. I know it was a bit random and a bit probably not very good to watch, pretty awful. But it's just another one of those jobs that you just have to do, and it needed doing, so we did it. Don't enjoy it at all. But this will probably be Monday's video, I think. Then I'll see you guys again on Wednesday. So if you did like it, just hit the like button. No one probably will. And subscribe while you're there. Cheers guys, bye.